Welcome to our channel. If you're traveling from Narita Airport to Tokyo, you have several train options. In this video, we'll show you how to take the Keisei Access Express, an affordable and convenient train that you can ride without any extra ticket. We'll also guide you step by step from Narita Airport to Asakusa using this train. Let's get started. Narita Airport is one of the two main airports serving Tokyo, but it is actually located outside the city. If you're traveling from Narita Airport by train, there are two main limited express options. One is the Narita Express, operated by JR, which connects the airport with major areas in Tokyo, including Tokyo Station. The other is the Keisei Skyliner, a limited express train operated by Keisei, which connects Narita Airport with Nippuri and Ueno. If you're thinking about taking the Skyliner, you can check out our video for a step-by-step guide. However, there is another option that is more affordable and easier to use. It's called the Keisei Access Express. Despite its name, this is not a limited express train. It's a regular commuter-style train with no reserved seats, and no extra ticket is required. You can simply use a regular ticket or an IC card, and the fare is about half the price of the Skyliner. It also goes directly to areas like Asakusa and Tokyo Skytree without transferring. Now, let's see how to get to the train station from Narita Airport. Narita Airport has 3 terminals, and Terminal 1 has a north wing and a south wing. Train access from Terminals 1 and 2 is similar. Just follow the train signs. Terminal 3 does not have a train station. From Terminal 3, you can walk or take a free shuttle bus to Terminal 2 to access the train station. In this guide, we'll use the north wing of Terminal 1 as an example. We're now in the arrival lobby of Terminal 1, North Wing. Look for the signs for trains. Take the escalator down. You are now at the Keisei ticketing area. Before buying your ticket, check the departure board. Not all Access Express trains go toward Asakusa. Look for Access Express and check the destination. These are the main destinations. Now you can check the fare on the information board above the ticket machines. If you're going to Asakusa, check the fare under the Toei Asakusa line section. The Access Express continues onto the Toei Asakusa line after Oshiage, so even though it enters a different railway company, you don't need to change trains. For the Access Express, look for the fare highlighted in orange. Now, let's buy your ticket. First, select your language. Tap Ticket. Then select Transfer Ticket. Choose via Oshiage Toei line. Select 1,380 yen. Insert cash or an IC card. Finally, collect your ticket. Now, let's head to the ticket gate. Insert your ticket into the slot. Then take your ticket back. Follow the signs for the Access Express to Platform 1. Now you're at Platform 1. Check the departure board to find your train. Look for Access Express and check the destination. You're now on the train. It takes about 1 hour to reach Asakusa. Sit back and enjoy the ride. We've now arrived at Asakusa Station. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment and subscribe for more travel guides around Tokyo and Japan. Have a great trip!